important minerals and their distribution in Chhattisgarh. So in Chhattisgarh is very rich in getting different metals, and so many minerals are present in the Chhattisgarh. You remember, from the minerals only we get the ores, that means the metals are separated. Okay, so these are present in the form of what? In the form of like rocks. So from these rocks metals are separated. Okay, so once again I will say the definition of the ore. Ore means a naturally occurring solid material from which a metal or mineral can be extracted profitably. Ore means it is present in the form of a rock. Okay, so from this rock only the metal is separated. Okay, so in this ore only what is that, minerals also separated. Okay, so here it is found in Chhattisgarh. Different types, you see 28 different types of minerals are found in Chhattisgarh. It is the only state in India where tin is. Tin means what? Lead. Okay, so where the tin is present, only in state of Chhattisgarh. In India we have 29 states. Among 29 states only Chhattisgarh has the tins material. Okay, so it is very important mineral is found. It is important mineral found in Chhattisgarh are shown in table 4. So what are the minerals we get? It is shown in the table. Okay, just you study on your own. Now we go to the next topic. You see, gold is also present. Raipur, Kankar, Raigarh, Mahasman and Bastar. Okay, so all these things. Now we go for the metallurgy. Okay, so metallurgy. So metallurgy means what? The process of obtaining metal from ores is known as a extraction of metal or metallurgy. There are 3 main steps in this process. Ore means one kind of solid rock from where the metal is separated. This is the ore. Okay, and in the ores only minerals also present. Understand? So minerals also present. Now here metallurgy means separating the metal from the ore is called as a metallurgy. In this metallurgy we have 3 types: concentration of ore, extraction of metal, purification of metal. Okay, so first we study of the concentration of ore. So what is the concentration of ore? Depending on the type of the metal and the type of ore, different techniques are used for extraction of metal. Let us study in some detail. Okay, so we study now the concentration of ore. What is the concentration of ore? Ores obtained from mines. So mines means what? What is the meaning of mines? Mines means excavation in the earth for extracting coal or other minerals. Okay, mines where the place where the metals or coal is separated, that is called as a mines. MINES, mines is what? The place where the coal or other metals are separated from the ores is called as a mines. So mines are usually contaminated with large, contaminated means what? With a lot of dirty impurities, dirty materials it is there, with large amount of impurities such as soil, sand. Okay, so in the ores what are the impurities are present? Soil and sand. These impurities are called as a gangue. Gangue, gangue. Okay, so the impurities must be removed from the ore prior to the extraction of the metal. First, before separating the metal, first we have to remove the soil, sand and etc. and some other impurities. Okay, which is the dirty materials. To remove those things is called as a concentration of ore. Okay, concentration of ore. After removing these impurities only, metal is separated from the ore. So it is this is known as a concentration of ore. So concentration of ore means what? Separating the impurities from the ore is called as a concentration of ore. Impurities means soil and sand. These are also called as a gangue. Okay. Then the first one, according to the metal, according to the reactivity of the metals, different techniques are used for the concentration of the ore. For all the metals, to remove the impurities from all the metals, we don't use the same process in the concentration of ore. In the concentration of ore, we have three types. The first one is the gravity separation method. So gravity separation method is used for what? Carbonate or oxide ores. For example, hematite. So for which metals, for which ores the gravity separation method is used? For the carbonate or oxides. So carbonate or oxides means what? This is the one. Okay, especially they used for oxides. So for the oxides, and the next one for what they use? For the carbonate. For this they use the method of the gravity separation method to remove the impurities. Okay, so this one we see now, gravity separation method. Okay, so let us see in the next video. Thank you.